kids! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a do-it-yourself lip tattoo. So if you guys remember, meron akong na-upload na video sa channel na to. Before, yun yung DIY lip tint ko. And yun din yung first ever DIY video here on my channel. So ngayon, upgrade na muna tayo. I will be making a peel-off lip tattoo. So I'm very excited to do that. Meron akong mga ingredients dun. So without further ado, let's just get started. So here are the things that you will need. Sobrang simple lang nila and madali lang din silang mahanap. So first, we need this non-toxic glue. Siguraduhin nyo lang na safe siya and non-toxic. Next, food coloring. Color of your choice. So I got red and blue para ma-achieve ko yung magenta na color. Let's just try. A container. Then, a chopstick, or kung anong pwede nyong gamitin panghalo, you can use a plastic spoon, popsicle stick, or kahit ano. And I almost forgot, we also need cotton buds. Ito yung gagamitin natin to apply the lip tattoo. So, you can also use a makeup brush, lip makeup brush. So, for the first step, pour the right amount of glue in a container. So, I'm using this one for a sauce. But yeah. So, ito yung gagamitin kong glue. Elmer's. So, ilagay ko lang dito. So, yung glue yung uunahin natin. Ayan. So, pag sa tingin yung okay na, then you can stop. So, ito yung akin. Next, I will add this red food coloring. Medyo kinakabahan ako ah. Wait, gamitin ko muna ng chopstick. Ay, wait lang. Yay! Ayan, tapos, oh no, haluin natin. So, kapag kulang, pwede kayong magdagdag. So, ito yung color niya ngayon. So, I want to add more. I want to make this a little dark. Kasi kapag lip tattoo yung gagawin mo, dark siya kapag in-apply mo. Pero pag tinanggal mo siya, nagiging light yung color niya. Pero dahan-dahan lang, guys. So, just mix lang talaga, guys. And make sure na nahahalo mo talaga ng maayos. Gonna add more. Kasi medyo bright. Ay, bright red pala yung nabili. Kaya, ganito yung color niya. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of blue. Sobrang konti lang talaga, guys. Ewan ko kung anong resulta nito. But, yung goal ko na shade is magenta. I'm gonna use this one. Sobrang konti lang talaga, guys. Do you guys see it? Okay. Then, i-mix na muna natin. Hello! So, medyo naging dark siya, but, yeah. I hope hindi fail to, but I really like the color. Look. Ayan siya. Wait lang, hindi nyo ba kita? So, now I have my peel-off lip tattoo. And nung in-add ko yung blue food coloring, akala ko sobrang dark niya. Pero ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto kong color na ma-achieve. Itong shade na to. So, I'm very excited to apply it sa lips ko. So, now I'm gonna try it. And I think I'm gonna do a thick layer para mas madaling tanggalin yung glue. So, let's go. Okay, so, apply ko na sa lips ko. So, I'm gonna use a Q-tip to apply. Go. Basta make sure lang talaga na non-toxic and safe yung glue na gagamitan nyo. O yung Elmer's lang talaga na ginamit ko. Para safe. And food coloring din naman to, so safe din to. So, ganyan na muna guys kasi hindi siya nag-focus ng maayos. And sorry guys if paiba-iba yung lighting kasi it's a gloomy day today, so yes. Medyo, yung battery ko lobat na guys. So, let's just wait for a couple of minutes. Then, tanggalin na natin ito kapag dry na yung lip tattoo. So, ayan, dry na siya guys. So, tatanggalin na natin. Kailangan dyan, hirap siya tanggalin. So, ito yung color niya guys. Ito nasa upper lip ko. Ito, tatanggalin ko pa. But I'm still gonna do a thumbnail. So, I'm gonna get back to you guys after I do a thumbnail. So, nalobat na talaga yung camera ko. So, I'm now using my phone to film this one. So, ito yung shade na na-achieve ko. And I'm super happy about it because it's a very nice shade. Ito talaga yung gustong-gusto kong ma-achieve na shade. So, yes. So, success naman yung DIY natin ngayon. So, I can't wait for you guys to try it. So, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a comment down below suggesting any videos you want me to film soon. Till my next video. Bye-bye!